Number 3. Philips Norelco OneBlade 360. Trim it down with the 5-in-1 open comb design that prevents clogging and makes tackling long and thick hair a breeze. Edge it up effortlessly with the dual-sided blade, allowing you to shave in either direction for precise results. Shave it off with ease using the innovative 360 blade that flexes in all directions to adapt to the curves of your face, ensuring constant skin contact and control. What you'll love most about the OneBlade 360 is its comfort. Unlike traditional blades, it doesn't shave as close, keeping your skin irritation-free. The long-lasting stainless steel blade means you won't have to constantly replace it, saving you time and money in the long run. The versatile functionality of this product makes it a standout compared to similar models. If there's one thing you might not like about the OneBlade 360, it's the fact that it doesn't give an ultra-close shave. However, this can actually be a benefit for those with sensitive skin or who prefer a more laid-back grooming routine. With a blade that lasts up to 4 months, the OneBlade 360 is a reliable and cost-effective choice for your grooming needs. In conclusion, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 offers a comfortable and precise shaving experience that stands out from the competition. Check it out for yourself and elevate your grooming routine today.